दक्षिण गोंयांत फाटल्या कांय दिसांसावन खुर्साच्या मोडतोडीचे प्रकार घडत आसात. इतले मजगतीं सोमारा मडगांवच्या श्रीकृष्ण मंदिरांतली नंदीची मुर्ती आनी तुळशीचे कोणी विटंबना केली. राज्य सरकारान ह्या घटनेची गंभीर दखल घेवपाक सुरवात केल्या. ह्या प्रकरणांतल्यान आरोप्यांचेर कडक कारवाय करतले म्हण माहिती मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We have noted attempt by few miscreants who have been damaging crosses, various idols, Tulsi Vrindavan, particularly from Chandor to Madgaon belt, Kepe and Madgaon belt. There were a few incidents yesterday night also. त्यामुळे हांवें एक पुलिशेची मिटींग आपयल्ली आनी हे कोण करता तो मुद्दम करता, प्लान करून करता हाजे बद्दल आमकां शंका ना. कारण चांदोर जातकूच हांवें ऑलरेडी पुलिसीक टायटन करपाक लागले. अकॉर्डिंगली पुलीस पिकेट्स वेर देर. ज्या जाग्यार ही घटना घडल्या म्हणजे एक चांदोर हांगा आमच्या कुडचड्या वचपाचें हांगा थंय जालो, थंय 6 वरां पर्यंत कांयच जावन नासलें. कारण पुलीस पिकेट थंय 5:30 पर्यंत आशिल्लें रातचें करता म्हणून. 6 o'clock one of the person who regularly visits that cross, for example, he had offered his flowers at 6 o'clock. So if someone is keeping watch and doing it, normally कर आनी पळून वच ही एटिट्यूड रातची आसता. पण because there were police picket everywhere, there appears to be an specific attempt to try and create some sort of a tension in the state. Reasons not known. I have issued direction to the police to use all kinds of methodology, including use of technology, getting Google Maps. I also told them to check up whether Google can provide us 24/7 mapping of the state whenever required. There is a provision. I don't know whether it's available for Goa. Day and night continuous you can get movements. There is other technological also besides human intelligence. And come down very heavy on this kind of things will not be tolerated. And the culprit will be, when found, will face the music of the state.